How to update an existing Conda environment with a.yml file. How can a pre-existing Conda environment be updated with another .yml file? This is extremely helpful when working on projects that have multiple requirement files, i.e. base.yml, local.yml, production.yml, etc. For example, below is a base.yml file has Conda Forge, Conda, and pip packages. Base.yml. The actual environment is created with conda env create fbase.yml. Later on, additional packages need to be added to base.yml. Another file, say local.yml, needs to import those updates. Previous attempts to accomplish this include creating a local.yml file with an import definition, and then run the command conda install flocal.yml. This does not work. Any thoughts?
Try using conda env update. Prin uninstalls dependencies which were removed from local.yml, as pointed out in this answer by @blink. Attention, if there is a name tag with a name other than that of your environment in local.yml, the command above will create a new environment with that name. To avoid this, use thanks at numasanguis. See updating an environment in Conda user guide.
Alchemid's answer is on the right lines, but I have found that Conda fails to install new dependencies if the environment is already active. Deactivating the environment first resolves this.
The suggested answer is partially correct. You'll need to add the prune option to also uninstall packages that were removed from the environment.yml. Correct command.
Recently, Conda introduced the option to stack environments, which should solve this problem.
If your selection is a selected shape